time you realize that your development expenditure is 10% and your recurrent expenditure, or recurrent is at 10% and your development is at 6%, there is a problem. I will engage the governor. My responsibility as a senator is that most likely the governor may be summoned to come to the Senate to come and explain to us what the challenges are, what are the issues, why are we not able to spend the money that we are holding at the CRF account. Right now, we have about 3.7 billion shillings, which is in the CRF account. And that is public money. This is money for the Kisii people. I really want to persuade the governor to make sure that he sets up and coordinates his team so that there can be a rolling in of projects, and there can be a rolling in of making payments to people who deserve to be paid, and making sure that the economy can peak so that we can then begin to change where we are. Right now we are in a very uncomfortable place, but I've been assuming that the issues have been because it's a new job and it's been very noisy politically in Kisii. I really hope that people can now start working so that we can deliver services to our people.